I have literally cracked the code, guys, and no, I'm not joking this time for real. Because it seems as gold is going to go down heavily, guys, and that's going to be the catalyst for the money to flow out of gold and into cryptocurrencies. And this is why, and this is where this timeline gets confirmed, guys. This portion, the mini blow, the first blow off top, the second one before the collapse. I literally cracked the code, guys. No, I don't think anybody, no, nobody else will tell you this. But if you guys can just wait a few minutes, you guys will understand. First things first, after tomorrow, I'm pretty sure CPI is released. Economists who produce detailed inflation forecasts expect the September CPI to show that core prices rose about the same as in August, but the median forecast has headline CPI decelerating to 2.3% from 2.5%, guys, right? If inflation can just go lower and lower and lower, guys, that's just a cherry on top, right? So all these banks are predicting that headline CPI will be at 2.3%, core CPI 3.2%, guys. If we could just get as low as possible for the CPI, like low twos, it's literally going to be the trigger, it seems as, right? We're going to explode. So pray for that. Now, for us to go up, guys, we need liquidity to enter, okay? And it seems as liquidity is rising, right? M2 growth year over year, guys, the green line, rising, right? When this rises, guys, look at Bitcoin's price, white line, exactly the same thing, guys, right? And it's going up again. So Bitcoin has to follow it here soon. Here's a more closer of a look. It seems as the top is going to come near, guys. It's going to be soon, right? That's the global monetary liquidity. Now, besides all of that, here it is. And this is what I was literally shaking, guys. I was shaking yesterday that I found this. Not this chart in particular, but what I found with an indicator. And this will be the trigger for us to go to the highest, to unimaginable heights. You guys ready? This isn't financial advice. One, I want to preface, when I talk about gold in itself, guys, okay, I want to first talk about why does gold matter? Well, Bitcoin will run when gold takes a break, and that time is closer than ever. 2-week candles charted, guys, okay? This video is mainly about altcoins, and this exposes what's upcoming next. You guys ready? Not this chart, but here in a second. I want you guys to have the context on when gold tops out, guys, okay? What happens to Bitcoin, the orange line, with altcoins? Look at this, guys. Right? The parabola phase starts, right? So it's inverse correlated to each other, it seems as. So check this out. So now that we know if gold dumps, guys, cryptos will skyrocket to the highest pace. What did I find, you may ask? Again, no one else will say this because they don't know, right? Here we go, guys. I'm going to be shorting gold probably soon. Not just yet, maybe here soon. There is a immaculate, insanely bearish divergences happening right now with gold. Okay? Which means the top right here, guys, but then gold rose in price. But the indicator did not. The indicator went up like this, guys, and now it's going down like that, right? You guys see how momentum is fleeing, but the prices are still going higher. It's a bearish divergence on the weekly. It's about to get confirmed. Not yet, though, right? Which means gold will go lower, guys, in due time, right? Probably around $2,100 over here, guys. I don't know, but back here, $2,000. That move down will be the rocket fuel for us to go higher. That's what we're waiting for, guys, is for gold to relax and calm down. That's only on the weekly, though. But check this out. It gets even crazier because there's a head and shoulder pattern on the on momentum as well, guys. It's like this head and shoulder pattern, right? Where it's like that, guys. Prices are still going higher, but head and shoulder patterns is like guaranteed. Unless money flows in heavily to the highest amount, then it'll kill these indicators, guys. But I'm pretty sure it won't, because look how hard gold has rampaged already. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, this is how I know, guys, I'm going crazy. Number two, on the 2-weekly, bearish divergence is forming right now. Bearish divergence, guys, with an inverse or no, not an inverse, but a normal head and shoulder pattern, guys, right, for momentum. That's number 2. This is on the 2 weekly. 3, on the 3 weekly, guys, the same exact thing. Bearish divergence. Okay, listen to this. Bearish divergence from this point to here. Momentum is going lower, and a head and shoulder pattern on momentum as well, which means it's going to, again, this is all getting stacked against gold, guys, right? On the 3 weekly, same thing, guys. 3 weekly, same thing. Monthly. Now monthly is a little bit different because with the monthly, guys, it takes so much time. There's a bearish divergence forming from here to all the way here, guys. Okay, prices are going higher, but momentum is going lower, which means this is definitely the top, 100%, guys. I'm 99.9% sure right here is going to be the top, and I'm going to short gold. No one else is calling like we are, guys. I'm going to replay this clip when gold finally comes back down, right? Probably comes back down to over this range, guys, right here. Probably comes back down to here. So let me just draw it out so we know, like this, guys. No, let me make it like that, right? Probably something happens like that. If I want a clear entry, right, and remember, if gold comes down, cryptos will explode to the highest pace. If I want a clear entry, guys, I want gold to come back up one more time. Bearish divergence, I'm in, right? We'll see. But either or, gold is coming down heavily soon, guys. Going to go down heavily, which would mean one thing. No one else will say this. I'm just saying this. I'm just saying the facts. That cryptos, our time has finally come. I've waited literally 7 years for this moment, and it's about to happen, right? I'm actually super excited because I was actually shaking, guys, that I found that. But Crypto Rover comes about with, so gold is going down, rate cuts imminent, CPI hopefully bullish CPI. Then what? Don't forget, $16 billion incoming is about to flood into the crypto market. What are they going to buy? Altcoins. Compare Bitcoin ETF net flows, 18 billion. 16 billion is the FTX claim distribution. You see the difference? Bitcoin rampaged, what was it, 2x with 18 billion. Now imagine 16, right? 6 figures is coming, which means alt season is right around the corner, guys. I'm truly happy and truly excited. Brad Garlinghouse is even saying it's happening again with the XRP's ETF, but they wouldn't go for the filing if they didn't think alt season is right around the corner. So to me, it seems like the stars are aligning beautifully, guys. Literally, this isn't a drill. How do we know? Well, not only with all those other indicators that I just talked about, the MACD as well. When the Bitcoin dominance bottomed in 2018, it took 761 days for it to break the uptrend. After which, in 2020 and 2021, we saw a legendary altcoin season. Same story now. 3 weekly MACD cross will give us a signal. I just can't even get over this, guys. It's going to be a legendary ass call. 3 weekly MACD cross, guys, will give us a signal. So it hasn't crossed right now, but it's about to. It's literally so close, guys. Last time it did, alt season occurred, alt season occurred, alt season occurred. Each time. 3 times that happened previously, it was guaranteed because it's on a higher time frame. When we're talking about gold, it was on the weekly, 2, 3, monthly. Those are explosive time frames, guys. Time frames, right? And money's flowing out of gold as well, unlike the daily and stuff, which means it's about to appear, guys. Alt season, Bitcoin season, or let's just say crypto season in general. Money season, profit taking season, no sleep season. Alt season, altcoin season is imminent, guys. Patience is key, right? So basically, this is just ranging right now, right? But we have at least gotten out from Bitcoin season, guys. Now, will this come back down once more for Bitcoin to go to 100K plus? Then it's going to go like this quickly, right? With altcoins, it doesn't take that long, guys. It happens quickly like that, right? So if we come down like this, guys, the altcoin market is breaking out of this massive bull flag pattern and is now retesting it. We are going higher, guys. This is humongous because this is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum's chart, guys, which means this is the altcoin chart. This is the MACD. This is on the weekly time frame as well. And each times so in consolidation or range phases, guys, there are false signals, but in trending markets, trending price action, It's positive signals, guys, right? Positive signal. Previously, as you guys can see what happened, look at that. Right here, trending, look at that. For altcoins. And we just broke out of this bull flag as well, holding it as support. And it's crossing, or is about to. What does that tell us, guys? All the stars are aligning, especially with gold going down here soon. From XRP Shark, I expect Bitcoin dominance to reach 60 to 62% and then correct heavily. This results in alts gaining market share, so logically we have an alt season at that point. This will not happen in days or weeks, but over the course of a few months, exactly with gold going down. First, Bitcoin remains dominant and will likely be the first to rise and the next impulse to the upside. But what follows after that is a remarkable outperformance of vaults, in my opinion, right? So he thinks we're going to go back to like 62%, guys. Then, like that, bam! This movement right here, guys, is all season. I can't wait. Just because I know for a fact it's coming, guys. Because of gold chart. Literally just because of gold, I'm very confident. Right? Very confident. What do you guys think? I guess we'll find out, right? Nothing is ever a guarantee, but if we just add everything together, it's like close to a guarantee. Bitcoin dominance update. Ash Crypto says we have already topped out for Bitcoin dominance, so all season can start now. But I don't think so, because if Bitcoin rises here soon, guys, that means it's going to take back market share, right? So I think what's going to happen is this, right? We go up, but then Bitcoin dominance tops out, and then all season officially starts. So very soon, guys, extremely soon. As soon as gold starts tanking down. Now, my nature guys, I'm truly excited, and hopefully you learn a thing or two. But anyways, that's all for you guys. See ya.